This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and this is a monthly candlestick chart of the SPY. That's the ETF for the S&P 500. Just to kind of go back and review the analysis that we had basically our lows after the crash in October of 2022. And in June of 2023, I said once the market had crossed the 618 retracement from the crash, I said the probabilities of us retesting the lows, which everybody was saying, hey, we're going to retest these lows, I said was very, very small. In fact, I believed at that point over the summer that we would go on to make all-time highs. And we are now, after the Fed meeting today, where the Fed said no interest rate hike, in fact, maybe next year, we start cutting rates. Well, obviously the market liked that, and we are within about 10 SPY points of making all-time highs. Let me go to the daily chart here because I just want to take a look at our oscillator is now overbought, so we are certainly due for a correction. We had pauses, so we had a rally here, we paused, right? And that's usually when this RSI here crosses above its moving average, that red line. Once the high of that day gets taken out to the upside, you get a nice rally. Cross back above right here. All right, nice rally, flattened out. We didn't get much of a pullback, really, before the RSI again crosses above, and then we get a break of this high and a nice rally here, again, within about 10 points of making all-time highs now. But we are overextended. I do think with the all-time highs, in sight here, so if we look, here's our all-time highs here. So here's where we're trading currently. If we can take out the all-time highs here, I think that's a higher probability now than getting a pullback first, though we are due for a pullback here. I think they take out the high, exceed it to a certain extent, and before we start seeing some more selling come in. So let's see if we can breach those highs and then expect to see some selling coming in. So we'll see. Again, we are overextended. We could see a pullback first, but and if they do pull back, probably to the support right in. Let's just move that up a little bit right in here. So we'll see. Some of the economic data set to be released next week. On Tuesday, building permits and housing starts. Wednesday's consumer confidence. Thursday's GDP will be a big one. And Friday, we've got core personal consumption expenditures, durable goods, personal consumption expenditures, Michigan consumer sentiment, and new home sales. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week, and we'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.